Are you using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or even Pinterest, but you're not making money from your traffic? Then you are missing out on a very simple opportunity, because in this video, I'll be showing you how to monetize your social media traffic using something called a smart link from Monetag. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning from your audience without needing your own product, website, or even technical skills. All you need is a single special link, and I'll show you exactly how it works step by step. Before we go deep into this process, let's quickly talk about why Monetag SmartLink stands out. There are many SmartLink providers and CPA network out there, but Monetag has a few key advantages. First, Monetag has been in the industry for many years. They work with thousands of advertisers worldwide. This means you get competitive CPMs rates and solid payouts. They support traffic from almost every country, so your audience location doesn't limit you. You can withdraw your earnings from just $5, which is very beginner friendly, and they also offer 24/7 support. So whether your audience is located in Nigeria, US, India, Canada, Australia, Bangladesh, or anywhere else in the world, you can still make money using the Monetag SmartLink. To get started and start earning with Monetag SmartLink, first up, you need to click the link in the description of this video for you to set up a monetizable SmartLink account. Once you click on the link, it automatically brings you up to an interface that looks exactly like what you can see on your screen now. Now, this part is very important. Make sure to use your real details when signing up, because if your information is incorrect, you may have issues when trying to withdraw your earnings later. So ensure to use an accurate and real information. Once you're done, log into your dashboard and let's move to the next step. Inside your Monetag dashboard, there are few important sections you need to know. First, we have the direct link. This is where you generate your smart link, also known as a direct link. This is the main tool you'll be using to make money. We have the statistics section as well. Here you can track your performance, your CPMs, impressions, and total earnings. We have the payment section as well. This section shows how much you have earned and the available payout options. We have the referral program. So here you also get a referral link. Anyone who uses your referral link to sign up a Monetag SmartLink account, you earn extra 5% commission from their activities. So the next big question is what to do with the Monetag SmartLink. Now, this is the most important part of this video, how to actually use your SmartLink to make money. So here is how it works, guys. You take your Monetag SmartLink, which you can copy from this section. You share it on your social platform. Once anyone clicks on the link, they are redirected to relevant ads and you earn money immediately. Yes, you heard me right. So the next big question is where to place your Monetag SmartLink. You can use your Monetag SmartLink in multiple ways. You can add them to your blog or websites, place them on landing pages. You can share them in Facebook posts, or you can share them on Twitter as well. You can also add them to TikTok bios. You can also use them on Instagram stories or captions. So this is a post I made on my blog and I want to add my Monetag to it. So the first thing I need to do now is to go back to my direct link here. You can always create a new link for every post you make. So let's create a new link quickly. Okay, we've clicked that now. So a smart link has been created for us. This is our smart link. Remember, you can also rename your smart link here just like so. So here now we can say blogger post. This is blogger post. So we can just click here to. So this is blogger post, as you can see. So we can copy this smart link here. Once you copy your smart link, then you head straight to your blogger page, your website, or your landing page where you want to input your smart link. As you can see, this is an article for an issue about WhatsApp. So I want to add my smart link now. So for me to be able to add my smart link, I can just come here. And as you can see, I have a call to action here. I can also add another call to action here just like so and say, click here for more value. So click here for more value. As you can see, I can highlight this just like so. Then I can come up here, click on this link icon, as you can see, insert or edit link. You click on it, then you can paste your smart link here just like so. Once you paste your smart link, once you have pasted your smart link, it's always important that you enable this to ensure that your smart link opens up in a new tab. Once you do that, you can come here and you can click on apply just like so, and see, this is it now. So anybody that clicks on this link, you automatically get paid for it. So let's quickly update this post. So once you update this post just like so, let's see, it's saving. So once you have updated your post successfully, so you can go back like so. So this is our post. So we can click here just like so to view the blog to see what actually happens. So this is my blog. So once anybody gets to this post and read this post just like so, the person gets everything he wants. So as you can see, this is clickable. You can click this, you can as well click this. So for everybody that clicks this link and watch every associated ads, you automatically get paid for that. So it doesn't end there, guys. You can as well take this post. This is our post. Let's go back just like so, open up this. So remember, guys, you can also make this post on Facebook or Twitter or any other social platform you operate. You can come here, click or edit your post. So for this, I can just copy my article, come straight to Facebook, and I can click here just like so and said I want to update this, and I can just come here and paste it here just like so. As you can see, my smart link is not active. So for this now, I can just come here and do this just like so. So once I do this, I come back to my smart link here. So let's have our smart link. Copy your smart link so you can add another one again. So once you add another one, you can edit this and say Facebook post. Let's edit this and say Facebook post. Facebook post. While you are editing all of this is for you to understand where your clicks are actually coming from when you are checking your statistics. So you'll be able to see that, okay, this is the amount of people that clicked on the Facebook post, this is the amount of people that clicked on the Twitter post, and so on and so forth. So you can copy the Facebook link just like so, head straight to Facebook and impute it here just like so. Once you do that, this automatically redirects people to relevant ads as well. So you can come here, click on save and post this on your platform. Once you do that, and anybody that clicks on that post, you automatically get paid for that. So let's quickly post this on my Facebook. So I'll be posting this now. So as you can see, let's refresh and see this. So as you can see, the post is live on my page. This is the post now. The post is live on my page. So you can come here and this link is active now. So this is the link. So you can, anybody that clicks this link automatically gets redirected to relevant ads, and I'll be automatically paid for that. So if you're already getting traffic from social media, why not start earning from it? Monetag SmartLink make it very easy, even if you're just getting started. So don't forget, go ahead, sign up using the link in the description, get your Monetag SmartLink and start monetizing your traffic today.